up, you guys? Welcome back. I am so excited. I literally was waiting for this package to come in the mail, and then I went to go to a corn maze pumpkin patch type thing with a friend, and my package still had not gotten here. So you're getting the freshly showered, no makeup version, but I'm so excited because I am here with my first PR package, I guess you could call it. Pique Teas sent me a bunch of their products to try, and I'm so excited. Debating of different ways that I wanted to make this unboxing, and ultimately I was like, why not do a YouTube video? Not my norm, but I thought it would be more fun, and it'll give me a first look. Like, you'll see the first look. I am so excited. I have been wanting to try this brand for so long. They are completely non-toxic, quadruple tested for toxins, so what you're getting is like the best of the best. They sent me their frother. I am so excited. Literally all the frothers that I ever get break, so I'm really interested to try this one. It's a chargeable one. I've never had a chargeable frother. Holy crap, look at this. Last one I broke before I even got it out of the box, so it's probably not, it is charged. This is like a legit thing. Holy crap, that's amazing. I'm so excited to try that. This is what I'm most excited about. Their Sun Goddess matcha. I am a matcha girly, okay? I have like 1 to 2 matchas every single day. I am so excited. Not be more excited to try. They are quadruple toxin screen tested for pesticides, heavy metals, toxic molds commonly found in plants. These little packages, which honestly, I'll probably do like 2 packages per matcha. So I'm really excited. If it was not like almost 8 o'clock, I would make one right now, but I guess I'll save it for tomorrow. I'm so excited. And then, ooh, wow, I'm really excited. They sent me their Daily Radiance Elderberry Liposomal Vitamin C. I heard someone pronounce that the other day on Instagram. Liposomal, whatever. Immune support, radiance skin. I'm so excited to try this. Oh, let me just break the box while I try to open this. Okay. I broke it, but I got it open. It's like, you just kind of drink it. Just like this. In a little package. For, you know, all that good stuff. I have their BT Fountain Beauty Electrolyte for youthful skin and deep hydration. I'm so excited to try this, y'all. It has calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, phytoceramides, and sodium hyaluronate. I'm really excited to try this, especially living with POTS syndrome. I am always looking for electrolyte drinks. I'm gonna try this right now because I was just sweating my booty off at the pumpkin patch place. And then, last but not least, I'll just be breaking things. I don't even care anymore. They sent me a little beaker to mix it all in. So cute! It has all the ounces on the back, so you can put in your thing and mix it like that. I cannot believe I'm sitting here with my first ever package of products that I didn't pay for. They were sent to me. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I'm so excited, and I've been wanting to try this brand for so long. One, specifically, I wanted to try their matcha because, again, I'm a matcha girly. But 2, because this brand is quadruple toxin screened. What's not to love about that? Like immune support, hello, cold and flu season. I have been wanting something less toxic and less like filled with sugar and other crap. I think that this is going to be really awesome for that, and I'm really excited to try it. I have to say, this is what I am most excited about. You know, if they sent me just an entire box of matcha, I would have been happy. So I just can't believe it. I am getting into my journey of really taking content creation and influencing seriously, using my Amazon and Like to Know It and all those other things. Really getting back into my creative side and looking at it as a job and hoping that one day it will yield the profits of a job so that I can move out of my parents' house and have my own place and foster a bunch of kids, because that is my goal right now. This is one step closer. The brand sent me these products. That is wild. Never, I don't know, I don't think ever in my wildest dreams, maybe in my wildest dreams, I would have thought something like this could happen, but like, in reality, I am very excited because I am now a Pique partner. So if you go to the link that will be down in the description, or it's in my link tree, you can try these products for yourself. Not sure if it's like a discount code, so someone will have to be the guinea pig. You'll have to go buy something and tell me if it is a discount code. And what I also want to focus on in creating content and being in the influencer space is only working with brands that I truly believe in and truly care about, because like, I'm gonna buy this no matter what. It's taken me a long time to try it, but I can already tell that after I try this, I will not want to go back to anything else. I am so thankful and grateful for every one of you guys that is following me on this journey, trying to get back into my YouTube era. This channel was created when I was 15, so all those videos are private though now. Those are only for my eyes because it's pretty embarrassing. Honestly, let me know, should I make them unprivate? Do you want to see 15, 16, 17-year-old me acting a fool? Let me know. If you are here in the 24-year-old era, I'm so excited that you're joining me on my journey to becoming a content creator, continuing to be a foster mom. I honestly have no idea what to create for YouTube content, so let me know down below what kind of content that I should be making on this platform. Once this kicks off and it is more closer to the time that I am moving out and getting my own place, there will definitely be lots of content to be made there, but until then, let me know what you want to see. I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go, and if you want to get on your journey to becoming a content creator and you want to watch somebody else do it in real time, follow along, because I will not gatekeep my secrets because it's hard out here. We be trying, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching my first brand unboxing. I hope that there will be lots more to come. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna go put this in my water right now, and I'll probably also try this right now. And then I'll save this for tomorrow to be my little treat. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have a feeling that this box is not going to last. There are 28 packets in here. It's not gonna last 28 days. I can guarantee. So, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.